there are two different statements. And let's take a look at the first one. It says that my father's age 5 years ago plus twice my age is 65. We can make the 65 a 70 because this was done 5 years ago and we want to bring it to the present so that it's easier to do. And doing the same with the second statement, saying that it is 130 and it is also 5 years ago, so we make it 135. Now let's take a look at what these two statements consists of. The first one is that my father's age 5 years ago plus twice my age. So that is a father, I'll just write F for that, and 2 M's, which is me. And then for the second statement, there is my age 5 years ago plus 3 times my father's age now, which would be 3 fathers and a me. Then we have to take note that there is 1 father and 3 fathers in the second one. And so that they both have something in common, what we want to do is we want to change this one and we want to multiply it by 3. Once multiplied by 3, the 70 will become 210. There will be 3 F's and there will be 6 M's, while the second one will stay the same. And now that they both have 3 fathers in them, we can now subtract these two. And 210 subtracted by 135 is 75. And 75 is 3 fathers, and there's also 3 fathers here, so we just cross them both out. And there are 6 me's and 1 me, so that is 6 M's subtracted by 1 M, and that is 5 M, which means that 75 is 5 multiplied by my age. And so 1 of my age is 75 divided by 5, which is 15. And now that we know that my age is 15, then what about the father? We can use any of these two to figure this last step out, but I prefer the top one because it's easier. And in the top one there are 2 M's, which is 2 me's. And 2 me's is 30, and 70, which is this, subtracted by 2 me's, is the one that's left. So then 70 subtracted by 30 is 40. And since the F is the one that is left, and this is 40, that means that the father is 40 years old.